Today we're going to talk about my second assignment, which is nothing but MCPandA2A Codelab. So the goal of this assignment is to practice MCPandA2A protocols, and then we will have to produce the following code labs and provide GitHub with all of the code labs and also video walkthroughs. So the first thing that I want to start with is the first code lab, which is nothing but to create a multi-agent system with ADK, deploy it in the agent engine, and also getting started with the A2A protocol. So this is a tutorial we were expected to follow. Let me just start with that. So the first thing, this is nothing but the objective of the code lab. So we're going to understand the basics of ADK and learn how to create multi-agent system, learn how to easily deploy and use the agents in GCP, understand the basics of A2A protocol, and also learn how to use A2K protocol and ADK to create open agents. Let's go to the next step. This is how we set up our cloud profile. So this is the first thing that we need to do in the shell editor. And then after that, these are the benefits of using our agent development kit. We can create multi-agent systems, and it's also a rich tool ecosystem in which we can use pre-built tools, create custom functions, integrate tools from third-party agents, frameworks, and also use other agents as tools. And we also have flexible orchestration, which means we can create workflows from using routes basically. So we create a route agent, and then we can route them to particular agents which are there for doing their particular task. Let's say, as you can see, there's we can do sequential, parallel, and also loop agents. And then it's an integrated developer experience where we can deploy, test, debug, and do everything locally with a very good UI, I would say, and built-in evaluation, deployment ready. So moving on, what is A2A? A2A protocol is nothing but it's an open standard designed. It is an open standard designed to enable seamless and secure communication and collaboration between autonomous AI agents from different frameworks, vendors, and also domains. And then these are a few of the things about A2A: universal interoperability, capability discovery, secure. It is secure, so it uses HTTPS, TLS, JWT, and we can also modify these. Then yeah, these are a few other things why A2A is used, and few things we need to know before going ahead. And then this is the agent architecture that we're going to use here. So this is a main agent, which is nothing but the root agent, and then we have an image generation scoring agent, and then checker agent assistant. So this image generation, it does image generation, and then so creates image generation prompt. So if let's say I just give a prompt saying create an image of a cat, so it's gonna do prompt engineering on it and make it better. And this is the tool that is used for that, get policy. And then this tool is used for generating the images, and then this is the evaluation and scoring of the image. So these are all of the agents that we have. Main agent, these are looped agents, and then we also have sub agents. So this is all about that. And then let's go to the next step. So this is what we have to do. The first thing, the task one is to install ADK and set up our environment. And then yeah, these are a few steps that we have to follow. And yeah, this is a file this is a folder which will have all of the agents that we have, and a few of the changes that we have to make are change these based on our settings. And then this is where our bucket name would go. And yeah, these are a few commands that we have to run, and this is how we run it. So let me just show you the output for this. So as you can see, I am on the image scoring agent, and then let's say I just gave a peaceful mountain landscape at sunset, and then it runs the get policy, which is nothing but it does prompt engineering and gives a very good prompt, both the positive prompt and the negative prompt. So the negative prompt is nothing but what not to do, and then it hits the generate images tool, and then yeah, this is a beautiful scenery that is generated. So you can see all of the scores and everything, and then everything is done. And yeah, so it says this is the last one where it evaluates the score. it has been evaluated and the total score of 50 indicates a high quality image according to the specified guidelines. So this is about the first step, which is nothing but installing and then setting up and then testing it locally. The second thing that we did after that was to deploy deploy to the agent engine. It'll be kind of hard to probably route to there, but yeah, let's just go to what we did. So we defined the project location, everything, and then we did the poetry plugin export. And yeah, these are a few prerequisites that we have to do to deploy the agent engine, deploy to the agent engine. And then this is like for remote testing after everything is done. And so basically, when we're deploying it, we do get a parameter, an output like this. This we have to get and like change it here. So yeah, and then going to the this is where yeah. So going to the next step, this is where we create an A2A agent, and based on the agent that we created in the previous steps, we'll be doing this. So this is nothing but the card or like the JSON that is expected, and then this is a creation part, and then running the agent, everything, and then yeah, this is a curl command that we use to execute. So I just gave like a few prompts which will be used, and then let me just show you the output. Yeah, these are like, this is the output of the previous step. And then here, so here if you can see, I'm running this, and then I'm doing the curl command over here. It says like this is a curl command that we have to execute. So this is the first command, and then this is the second command where I'm like passing with the parameters. And then if I go to my bucket, it should be here. So let me just go from the starting. So this is my main bucket that I have, and then this is the agent engine that was created. This folder will have my generated image. So I just gave a prompt like just give me a cat image of a cat. So as you can see, this is like a very good image. It has like high resolution, everything. Oh yeah, so this is a prompt that I had also sent. So yeah, this is all about creating the agent, deploying it, and then the image is like stored in our cloud bucket, as you can see. And then the final step would be to clean up the resources, which I will be doing after this tutorial. So yeah, thank you. Oh, so this is about the part one. I'll be following up with the other two parts. Thank you.